Today, I'm going to tell you about just 3 exercises that will not only work on your belly, but will also help reduce fat from your thighs and hips at the same time. When you exercise for your belly, you do separate exercises for your thighs and different ones for your hips, which increases the amount of time you spend working out. And it's possible that those exercises might not even be effective for you. So I'm going to tell you about 3 important exercises that are extremely effective. Not only do they reduce your belly, but they also slim down your thighs and hips. Your entire lower body will become slim and trim. By doing these exercises, if you do them twice a day, you'll see a really good effect. If your lower body is a bit heavy, then watch these exercises and take advantage of them. I have been receiving your comments, and I do read them. I also make a note of your problems, and one day or another, you will definitely find a video related to your issue. So please stay tuned to my channel. You just need a little patience because these things, these routines, take time and happen gradually. I can't upload videos for everyone all at once, but I will keep bringing you videos continuously, so keep following my channel regularly. So let's take a look at today's exercise, which can help us reduce belly, thighs, and hips all at once. There are only 3 exercises, and it's important to do them twice a day. So for the first exercise, you need to get into this position. You might have done this exercise before, but for those who haven't, please watch carefully. This is how you need to follow this exercise. When you are ready to proceed with the next step, please indicate so. Your legs should go completely straight, and you need to exhale like this. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So as you saw, you have to do 50 reps of each exercise, both in the morning and in the evening. So you understand now that was our very first exercise. Now let's thoughtfully move on to the second important exercise. You truly need to get into this specific position, just like this. And if you are indeed in this particular position, if you're not comfortable, you can also lie down like this. Lift one leg up this much and then the other leg, 1, 2, 3. If you started counting from this leg, then you really actually indeed have to. Count the second one on this leg. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Breathe. The wind is blowing quite strongly because I'm making this video on the rooftop, so the wind, it's quite strong. So friends, I did 30 because if we combine both legs, you'll see it's more than 50, actually 60. So you can do 25 or 30. It's up to you. You only need to do this much in one set. You can do 2 sets if you have time. Now let's see how you have to do the third exercise. You need to lie down, and after lying down, you can place both your hands under your waist so that there's no pressure on your waist. Now in this way towards your goal, lift up, then bring it down, open up like this, and then gently lift it back up again, counting to 3, 4, 5, Let's
six,
begin our count starting with the number 5.
seven,
Following 5, we have 6, then comes 7 in our sequence. After 7, we
9,
proceed to 8. Next in line is 9.
10,
Subsequently, we reach the number 10.
11,
Following 10, we arrive at 11. And
12,
finally, we return to the number 10, completing this
13,
specific numerical progression.
14,
13,
15,
that is the number after 12. 14 following
16,
13. 15, which comes after 14. 16, the number succeeding
18,
15. 17, the number after
19,
16. 18, which is the number
20,
after 17. 19, the number that
21,
follows 18. 20, the number
22,
after 19. 21, which is
23,
20 plus 1. 22, the number
24,
after 21. 23,
25.
following. So friends, in this way, we have successfully completed 3 effective exercises, and it is really important that you diligently perform as many repetitions as I have carefully instructed you to do. This thoroughly completes 1 full set, and you can certainly take a short break and then proceed to do a second complete set as well. If you genuinely do not want to do both sets at the exact same time, then please make sure to perform these beneficial exercises again in the evening. You absolutely must do them a second time, and then you will clearly see that in just about 10 to 15 days, you will undoubtedly get really good and noticeable results. Your legs will become significantly slimmer, and along with that, your tummy will also noticeably reduce. If you truly like this video, be absolutely sure to like and share it with others, and please keep leaving your valuable comments. Along with that, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and take care.